Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. This one is amazing. So we have a dealership that we signed up a number of years ago on our sales variable side training. And one of the things that we do in our dealerships is we track everything. We really want to see impact and increases. So we track volume, grosses, F&I, CSI. And this dealership has done very well over the last couple of years. One of their big reasons for success is that when we did take it on, they had a salesperson there that was selling between 20 and 30 cars per month. And, the trainer was a little concerned, will this person be receptive to new ideas? And he was. And now he is selling between 25 and 35 cars a month, which is great. Great success. Over the last 3 months, their volume has dropped noticeably. And I reached out to the trainer and I asked, why? And he said to me, do you remember they had this salesperson that sold, 25, 30, 35 cars a month? And I said, yes, of course. And he said, he's no longer there. And I was surprised. What happened? And he said to me, you're not going to believe this. Well, this gentleman has a family, and he decided that he wanted to coach his daughter's softball team, which means that over the next 2-3 months, he needed to take a couple of nights off during the week, and he needed to have Saturday mornings off. Well, the sales manager told him he could not, that he gets 1 day off a weekend, Sunday, and that the whole team works on Saturday. So the salesperson quit. He went to another dealership, and they let him go over principle. Now, I can only imagine that he's still selling 25, 30, 35 cars per month just at another dealership. And my opinion is this. If you have 10 salespeople and they all sell 25, 30, 35 cars a month, make a policy that if you sell 25, 30, 35 cars per month, you can come and go as you please. And now I'm going to get a deal that says, well, I want to have coverage on Saturday morning. Then hire somebody for $15 an hour. How could you let somebody who wanted to be with his family for a period of 3 months to coach his daughter's softball team that sells 25, 30, 35 cars per month leave? They did. And they did it over principle. You've got to be kidding me. And we wonder why we're not selling more cars and making more gross. Good luck, everyone.